All right, let's talk about meetings. Ever walk out of one and boom, the key decisions are just gone from your brain? Happens to the best of us. Well, today, we're throwing two AI heavyweights into the ring, Fireflies.ai versus Otter.ai. We're going to figure out which one is going to be your new secret weapon for getting things done.
Oh man, you know the feeling. You hang up that super important call and it's like your brain just hits the reset button. What was that action item again? Who was supposed to do what? In this world of nonstop virtual meetings, this meeting amnesia, it is a huge productivity killer.
But here's the thing, what if you could have a perfect memory? Well, that's pretty much what these tools are offering. Think of an AI note taker as your brain's backup. It's designed to capture every single detail so you can actually focus on the conversation instead of, frantically trying to type notes. So, how are we going to settle this big debate? It's simple. First, we'll talk about why we even need these tools in the first place. Then, we'll get to know our two main contenders before we throw them into a head-to-head feature showdown. I'll even give you some pro tips to get you up and running, and I promise, by the end of this, you'll know exactly which AI scribe is the one for you. Okay, let's kick things off. Just think about it for a second. How many of your meetings are virtual these days? The whole shift to remote and hybrid work means we're on more calls, juggling more information, and trying to track more stuff than ever. Let's be honest, our old school ways of taking notes, they just can't keep up anymore.
Okay, check out this number. Get ready for it. On average, professionals can spend up to 8 hours a week. That's an entire workday gone, just trying to remember or write down or chase down info from meetings they just had. That is a crazy amount of wasted time and energy. So we've laid out the problem, right? Now let's meet the two AI scribes that are here to solve it. And what's interesting is while they both tackle the same core issue, they actually approach it from slightly different angles. First up, we've got Fireflies.ai. The best way to think about this one is as your post-meeting automation machine. It literally joins your calls like another person on the team, a silent one. And after the meeting is over, bam, it gives you everything, the full transcript, a neat summary, and even some analytics on the conversation. Its main job really happens after everyone hangs up. Otter.ai, on the other hand, is all about the live experience. It's transcribing in real time as people are talking. This means you and your team can follow along, highlight important stuff, and even add comments right during the meeting. It's like a shared collaborative canvas for your conversation, all happening in the moment. All right, here we go. This is the part you've been waiting for. We're officially putting these two tools into the ring, a direct head-to-head comparison on the features that really truly matter. Let this showdown begin. So let's start with the absolute core function, transcripts and summaries. Fireflies really shines with its post-meeting processing. It takes the whole conversation and chops it up into these super structured, actionable summaries. We're talking bullet points, action items, key decisions, all packaged up and delivered to you later. Now, Otter gives you this beautiful, flowing transcript as it's happening, which is amazing for live review or, let's be real, for catching up when you join a meeting a few minutes late. And this right here, this is where the decision can get really interesting. We're talking about integrations. If your whole workflow depends on automatically pushing information to your other systems, you gotta pay attention to this. For example, say you need to log your call notes in your CRM. That's your customer relationship tool, like Salesforce. Or maybe create tasks in a project management app like Asana. Well, Fireflies has a huge advantage here. Its integrations are deep, they're business-focused, whereas Otters are, a bit more on the basic side.
Okay, but what about just trying these things out before you commit? For individuals or maybe small teams just getting their feet wet, this is super important. Otter has a really straightforward free plan. They give you a pretty generous 300 minutes every month. Fireflies, on the other hand, uses this kind of limited credits-based system for its free tier. So what that means is, for consistent light use without opening your wallet, Otter definitely has the edge. Okay, look, a tool is only as good as how you actually use it, right? So it doesn't matter if you pick Fireflies or Otter, let's talk about how to set yourself up for success, how to build that foundation for getting absolutely perfect transcripts. Honestly, it really just boils down to 3 simple things. First, connect your calendar. Do this right away. It lets your little AI bot join meetings automatically so you never have that, oh no, I forgot to hit record moment. Second, audio quality is everything. A decent microphone makes a night and day difference in accuracy. And finally, take 5 minutes, seriously, just 5 minutes, to teach the AI the names of your teammates and any of that special jargon or acronyms you use all the time. And here are just a few more tips that work for both tools. Try to get people to speak clearly and, if possible, one at a time. I know,
easier said than done. Also, when you see a mistake in the transcript, fix it. You're not just fixing a typo, you're actually training the AI to get smarter for all your future calls. And most important of all, connect it to your other apps. The real magic happens when your meeting notes just flow seamlessly into your to-do list or your CRM without you lifting a finger.
All right, we've covered the problem, we've met the players, we've gone through the pro tips. Now it is time for the final decision. This whole section is about helping you pick the absolute perfect AI scribe for your specific needs.
I absolutely love this idea. The best tool is the one that disappears into your workflow. See, it's not about which tool has the longest list of features. It's about which one fits so smoothly into how you already work that you kind of forget it's even there. That's the real test of a great productivity tool. Okay, so let's break this down based on who you are and what you do. Are you a sales pro who lives and breathes in your CRM? Then Fireflies is your best bet, no question. That post-meeting automation is exactly what you need. But what if you're a project manager who needs the whole team on the same page during the meeting? Then yeah, Otter's live collaboration is your secret weapon. For those of you who just want the highlights, the key takeaways and action items delivered straight to your inbox, Firefly's structured summaries are an absolute dream. And hey, if you're just starting out and you want to test the waters without spending a dime, Otter's generous free plan is the perfect way to get started. And just like that, we're at the end. You've seen all the evidence, you've heard the arguments. So really, there's only one question left, and it's the one right there on your screen. Based on how you work, which of these amazing AI assistants is going to be joining your next meeting?